Good morning, students. Welcome to our science class. We already completed our second lesson, Wonders of Visible Light. In this chapter, we learned so many wonders which are due to light rays. Let's go through the main points. First, the study of light is called optics. Optics is the study of light. Then objects can be classified into three based on their ability to allow light rays passing through it. They are transparent, opaque and semi-transparent. Examples for transparent objects, clear sheet, glass, etc. Examples for opaque objects, cardboard, wood, etc. Then for semi-transparent objects, tissue paper, oil paper, etc. Transparent objects do not make shadow, while opaque objects make shadows. In 5th class, you studied solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. What do you mean by solar eclipse? When the moon comes between the earth and sun in a straight line, the earth comes in the shadow of the moon. Then the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. The sun cannot be seen from the area where the shadow falls. This is solar eclipse. Similarly, in lunar eclipse, earth is between sun and moon. Read the 3rd chapter, Celestial Shadow Sight, in 5th standard. Then, transparent objects allow the light to pass through it, while opaque objects reflect the light rays fall on it. Next point, all opaque objects are not same in reflecting light or light rays. Polished surfaces or smooth surfaces reflect light rays very well. That is why a new steel plate reflected light rays very well compared to a used plate or old plate. Mirrors are good reflecting surfaces. They reflect light rays very well. The next point, there are two types of reflection: regular reflection and diffused reflection. Mirrors are surfaces which reflect light rays regularly. Rough surfaces reflected light rays irregularly. Then next point, how do we see objects? What are the conditions for seeing an object? First one, light is needed, either sunlight or other light sources. That is, light is needed. Second one, light should be fall on objects. Third one, the light from objects means reflected light. Reflected light from objects should reach our eyes. Thus, we see objects. The next point, mirrors. There are two types of mirrors. What are they? Plane mirror and spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors can be classified into two, convex mirror and concave mirror. We see our image, we see our face in plane mirror, isn't it? How does we see our image or face on mirror? The light rays fall on our face, get reflected and reach the mirror. Okay. Again, that reflected light rays from mirror reach our eyes. This we see our face, isn't it? Then what are the properties of image formed by plane mirrors? First one, lateral inversion, means shifting one side into another. or left side changes to right side and vice versa. The right side of image looks like left side and vice versa. Okay? Then try to draw the English letters and their mirror images. Then another point is image size is same as object size and image distance is same as object distance in case of plane mirror. There are three properties mainly. First one, lateral inversion. Then second one, image size is same as object size. Similarly, image distance is same as object distance. There may be one question, where does we get the image by a plane mirror? The answer is, image is obtained at a distance behind the mirror same as the object distance. Okay? Then angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Both are the angles made with normal. Then another point, what could be the reason for writing ambulance in such a manner? The driver of the vehicle moving in front of the ambulance can see the image of the writing through rear view mirror. To see in original form, it is writing like that, isn't it? Then what about spherical mirrors? There are two types of spherical mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirror. Then what is the difference between real image and virtual image? The image which can be caught on a screen is called a real image. The image which cannot be caught on the screen is called virtual image. Real image is obtained in case of concave mirror. In case of mirror, real image is obtained in concave mirror. Note the point. In case of plane mirror and convex mirror, we get virtual image. Then, wonder world of mirrors. We familiarized royal rod in a chalk box, which is using two plane mirrors. Then kaleidoscope and periscope, that are the instrument use the multiple reflection property of light. Which are the instruments use the property of multiple reflection of light? Kaleidoscope and periscope. Next, uses of mirrors. What are the uses of convex mirror? It is used as rear view mirror in vehicle and reflector in street light. Okay. What about concave mirror? In solar cooker, in shaving mirror, then reflector in torch light, etc. Then one question is, why does the concave mirror is used as shaving mirror? We get the magnified or enlarged image by concave mirror. That's why it is used as a shaving mirror to see the enlarged image. Then another phenomenon is refraction. A pencil in a glass of water appears broken. It is due to refraction. What is the definition of refraction? When light rays travel from one medium to another, it undergo deviation. That property is called refraction. Then came to lenses. Lenses are transparent objects. There are two types of lenses, convex lens and concave lens. Lenses have two surfaces. Then glass plate allow the light rays pass through it without any deviation. Light rays pass through a glass plate without any deviation. Convex lens make the light rays move close to each other. When light rays passing through a convex lens, then the light rays move close to each other. That converges the light rays. Convex lens converges light rays. So it is called converging lens. In case of concave lens, the concave lens make the light rays move away from each other, means diverges the light rays. Diverge the light rays into different direction. So it is called diverging lens. Which is called the converging lens? Convex lens. Which is the diverging lens? Concave lens. In case of lenses, real image is formed by convex lens. What about the case of mirror? The real image is formed by concave mirror. Very, very important point. The real image is formed by convex lens and concave mirror. Then in case of lens, virtual image is formed by concave lens. What about the mirror? The virtual image is formed by plane mirror and convex mirror. Okay. Then uses of lenses. It is used as magnifying lens to rectify eye defects. Then short sight. Short sight is rectified using concave lens. Short sight or myopia. The long sight or hypermetropia. Similarly, presbyopia. Both are rectified by using convex lens. Then convex lens is used in equipments like microscope, telescope, camera, projector, eye lenses, binocular, etc. The next point, beauty of rainbow. Rainbow is formed due to dispersion. The splitting up of white rays into 7 component colors is called dispersion. By combining these 7 colors, these component colors, we get white light again. That is observed by Newton's disk. The phenomenon dispersion is obtained through the instrument known as prism. The phenomenon dispersion is obtained through prism. The water droplets in atmosphere also act as tiny prism. That is why rainbow is formed. Natural rainbow. The water droplets in atmosphere also act as tiny prism. That is why rainbow is formed. Rainbow can be observed in certain conditions where there is water droplets in atmosphere. Rainbow is always appears across the sun. That is, in morning it is observed in west direction and in evening it is observed in east direction. Okay. Let's go to exercise question. Let's assess in 36, page number 36. First question. Which of the following is not relevant to a plane mirror? Which is wrong in case of a plane mirror? Options: causes dispersion of light. Option B, reflects light. Option C, produces lateral inversion. Option D, produces virtual image. A plane mirror reflect light. It's right. Produce lateral inversion. It's also right. Produces virtual image. It's also right. Then what is the odd one? Causes dispersion of light. It is not relevant to a plane mirror. It's in case of prism dispersion. So first one answer is option A. Then second one, three transparent objects are arranged in the path of a light beam. Which is the correct statement about them? Look at the picture, then options. Then we can see the light rays. The first one allow the light rays pass through it without any deviation. So first one must be a glass plate. What about the second one? The second one moves the light rays away from each other, diverges the light rays. Diverging lens is concave lens. What about the third one? It moves the light rays close to each other. It converges the light rays. So third one must be convex lens. Then third question, rewrite arranging the second and third column suitably to match the first column. First column, reflection, refraction, dispersion and image. Reflection. Reflection is possible in opaque objects. That's why we see objects. Okay. Rearrange in such a manner. Then second one, refraction. Refraction is obtained in lenses. Lenses are used in microscope. Third one, dispersion. Dispersion is responsible to prism. That's where rainbow is formed. Fourth one, image. Image formed by mirror. So we can see our face. So rearrange this in proper way. Fourth question, is the actual position of a fish in water the same as the position at which it appears to us? Why? Is it the actual position? Is it the actual position? No. Because of refraction. The reflected light rays from fish has to travel through two medium, air and water. So its path undergo deviation. That's why there is a shift in position of fish in water. Fifth question, in which of the following do we see images more clearly? New steel plate, new steel vessel or a used one? Why? In which of the following we can see the more clear image? In new steel plate. The surface of new steel plate is smooth. So it reflects light rays regularly. So we get the clear image. Okay. Write these points in your science diary. Okay, bye.